Evening. Today is the 18th of September, and the chart that I have in front of me is the Nifty Small Cap Index, and it has been set on the daily time frames. So our last video was dated a couple of weeks ago, and it was around these levels. And just to give you a quick recap, what we had seen is that from August, the index corrected from highs of 10,600 to 9,600. And in this process of approximately 8 to 10% correction, the index formed a hammer at the 50-day moving average and a very close sort of a almost a double bottom, but a lower top, a lower bottom, yes, which was followed up by an inside day. This inside day got confirmed the next day with a green closing, and on this green closing we have our entry. Because we are entering on the confirmation of an inside day candle, it is obvious that we will exit on the break of this particular low. So this triggers our entry in the long direction, and with the initial stop loss right here, and fortunately the move is in favor of the bulls, and the price continues to move forward till we reach a stage here where the security has officially created somewhat of a double top, and with the reference to previous high, and this is a bearish counter attack candle. So if we see this here, we can see that this is a uh, this is a bearish counter attack candle where there is a gap up opening and the close is pretty close to the previous day closing. So this bearish counter attack candle in turn required a confirmation which was not to come, and therefore this became a good point for us to have our first trailing stop loss. Subsequently, we now see that after a gap up here, we are asking ourselves the question that is this an exhaustion gap? Because this has happened so late into the up move, and followed by the exhaustion gap, we are seeing that we have a bearish engulfing. It has engulfed the previous two candles, and this particular bearish engulfing, we need to wait for a confirmation. So given that we have a clear move of an inside day confirmation upwards, we saw a break, we saw a formation of a bearish counter attack candle on the previous high zone. This got received no confirmation and the market continued moving upwards. Now we are seeing a gap up open at very late stage of the up move, resulting in us asking the question, is this an exhaustion gap? If this is an exhaustion gap, that could this be the next higher top? And now the market on the Friday closed form a bearish engulfing, implying that this zone right here seems to be a pretty good trailing stop loss too, which means that if the market on Monday is to open lower and create a low at about 10,600, which is incidentally the previous high zone, it is safe to book out of some profits. And the price action that we are seeing is that we are seeing cancel. So the price action that we are seeing is simply connecting this low and this high, which I will mark with a darker black line. And now the question is, will this do something like this? If it comes till here, we will exit for now and wait for confirmations around here. At the moment, what we are playing is that this is the higher low, and we are hoping that the market will continue to do this. This is what we are hoping for. It doesn't mean that this has to happen. What potentially could happen is that the market could do something like this. And if this happens, which means this higher top on the hourly charts, it will become very apparent. This will be higher top, higher bottom, lower top, lower bottom formation. And this is where our TSL2 ideally should come in place, which means that I would bet, or I would try and understand that if the market continues to just fall on Monday, which means that this does not really happen, but rather the market just continues this way, we'll have to exit, because there is a threat that we could look into something of a big double bottom, like a big range, and you don't want to be caught with a long position here. So therefore, the idea simply becomes that we anticipate that this potentially is a higher bottom, and we hope that the move is in this direction. And like I said, we are hoping, we are not sure that this is going to continue. Most likely the market is going to, most likely the market could do something like this, that is trade in a range for a certain duration. But for equity investors, range is not a problem. The problem is, when do we assess that the momentum has significantly shifted downwards, such that tactical entry points like the ones that we make based on candlesticks, we can exit with a justification. So which means that if our trailing stop loss is to hit, then our I means the move that we are expecting, something like this, and then something like this. If this is to happen, our justification would obviously be that this now was our higher bottom, right here, and this became our lower top here, and the break of this higher bottom obviously means that we exit, because whatever is the new bottom or the low that will be created will be the lower bottom. So I'll just mark this here as lower bottom. So there we have it. Typically, we would want to continue to hold long on the positions till we get a confirmation of the bearish engulfing, and not be in a haste to book out of any equity profits that we might be seeing. So this is about the small cap index. I will update you with some other information during the course of the week. I hope you have a good weekend. Till the time, take care. Thank you.